Hi, this is One Punch 5 showing you how to create a Lego chainsaw. Ready? Let's get started. You'll need a piece like this. Very nice. 2 pieces. I need 2 pieces like that. You'll need a 3-sided piece and a thing that looks like a foot. And you'll need one of these. Alright, so this is what you do. You take these 2, you put them together. Is it? Yeah. No. Alright. So, you put them together like so. And then you put this up top because you always want these to go like that. So that's on top. So it's like that. You have to put this in. Take that. And then that's going to make the Lego chainsaw. But you can also make it this way with fire and ice. Fire and ice is just a red piece like this with 2 clear pieces. Nitro is just a green piece and a green piece like that. Glue is just a blue like this, blue right here, and blue like this. Then black is just with the silver cloth. Now, I'm gonna put down the silver cloth. That means this will be so. It's all in your imagination. And now we have a guy that can cut down things.